Good afternoon, all. I'm Selvin, being as a director at Maxbyte Technologies and residing at Coimbatore, India. So, welcoming you all for this skilled factory session, in which, for the next couple of minutes, we are going to discuss about why and how can we build the future workforce for Industry 4.0 or the future factory. As you all know that, the change is happening everywhere. Likewise, we could see some revolutionary changes are happening in few areas like economy, in enterprises level, and in government side, and also individuals level also. We could see few of the facts about the changes happening around us. In economy, after the Second World War, from the agricultural economy, it is being changed as a manufacturing economy, and the scarcity economy is now becoming the post-scarcity economy. That means we can be able to produce goods or services with minimum human effort with the help of new technologies like artificial intelligence, automation, like to produce goods and services for everyone in the world. So, next, if you look at the enterprises, everywhere you could see continuously it is being more autonomous and more smart, more connected and more intelligent and also more sustainable. It's happening everywhere. We look at the nations and government side, the policy makers are making a lot of policies for the digital economy, e-commerce economy to support the industries, and the economy and increase the productivity. All this side, the policymakers are continuously working for the change. And also, the governments are investing for the researchers and also for the innovation by collaborating with various partners. If you look at the individual side, the new skills are being listed for the future work, like critical thinking, analytical thinking, complex problem-solving skills, resilience. So many new skills are being evolved, and we have to be prepared for that. And also, new roles are evolving for the digital manufacturing industry and also in the Industry 4.0, the revolution. And also, new career opportunities also evolving in the AI side, cyber security, digital education, prompt engineering, and in the green specialization. So many areas, the career opportunities also evolving. So, a lot of changes are happening around us, and also there are the challenges there for this, this transformation or change. The big challenge is the skill gap or the skill shortage. If you look at the trends, we could see that for the manufacturing industry, especially for the US manufacturing industry, you could see 4.6 million jobs are there till 2028. But with the existing skill force, we could meet only 2 million. This means about 50% we have to develop new skills. And if you look at the Gartner trend, there also you could see the digital, robotics, and artificial intelligence side, automation side. Only the 50% is, as of now, it is available. So still, the gap is about 50%. So the skill gap is a very big challenge for us. So there comes the factory science. The factory science, it was evolved as a vision of the Maxbyte to offer various learning solutions, and it is designed by the domain thought leaders and domain experts, like more experiential, interactive, and outcome-oriented learning platform to offer various kind of trainings or learning solutions to the industrial professionals and students. So, before seeing what are the factor science offerings for this manufacturing community, we could see what the factor science has done in the past years as the impact. You could see a short video. So in the past couple of years, through the factor science programs, we have trained or we have certified about the participants from 90 plus of industries in India, UAE, and US also. So that is the impact so far now. And let's see the offerings from the factor science. For the lifelong learning, for innovation and career development, we have designed 5 pillars of learning, like various kind of trainings and assisting for jobs and supporting for the innovation and publication side. We are publishing books and community support we are doing. Let's see one by one quickly. So coming to the training, the majorly we do the foundation program and the championship program in Industry 4.0. We call it as interactive and experiential training program. It's very effective, and let's see what are the outcomes in those programs. And next, the certification program. A couple of programs are online programs. We call it as a self-paced and mentor-guided certification program through online mode. And a couple of programs are outcome-oriented or hands-on training program like OTIT, integration, and Lean 4.0. And recently, we have launched on postgraduate diploma program also. You can see detail. So especially in the Industry 4.2 awareness program, it is designed like to offer 4 hours or 6 hours training. It is very much interactive to give knowledge and awareness for the industrial experts or the professionals, how to start and where to start and when to start the industry digitization. So they can interact us, they can see a lot of technologies involved in the industry digitization and the various use cases. And also they can see some demonstration, live demonstration also in that particular awareness session or the foundation program. The next is the championship program. The championship program, earlier we were doing like 2 to 3 months as an online program during the COVID time. Now we have reduced into 3 days program, and also we are conducting as a 2 days program. It is a completely offline program, very much interactive. And in that program, the deep learning will happen. Like we will have a 9+ technology session as a masterclass session, and 9+ experience session. And each and every experience session, you will see the implemented solution, how it works in the industry, as is and to be like that, how the user is working, how the user life has been transformed when they use the particular application, and what are the benefits in that application, what are the outcomes, and which industry that has been already implemented. All those things in that experience session, you can understand that. So it helps to also, in that session, you will be given the tools to list out the various use cases relevant to the participants' industry, and they can able to prepare a roadmap. We will guide them. There is a template with them, and we are giving the free tools to assess the machines and to assess the skills, and also to discover the maturity level, the existing maturity level of their company or the factory. All these things we are giving as the free tools to them. They will work on that, and at the end of the session, they will prepare a presentation like a road mapping, how to list the top priority use cases for their particular factory, and how to prioritize the use cases. All these things we will guide them, and they will prepare and they will present at the end of the session. So the participant will become Industry 4.0 champion at the end of this program. So they will be the key for their own industrial digitization journey. So next is the certification program. We have online mode and also the offline mode we have. So that will be giving more hands-on and more technical knowledge to the participants. They can choose different topics of certification we have. So that also will be helpful for the industry. And recently, we have designed a program for the 1-year program as a postgraduate diploma certification program for intelligent and sustainable manufacturing. So in India, is one of the renowned institution, PSG Technology. We have a collaboration with them. In this June, we are going to launch that program in India for a 12 months program. And soon, we are going to launch the similar program in other regions like UAE and US also. We are planning like that. So this is a very unique program in that 50% of the curriculum is technology or theory session. Another 50% are the labs or practical session. And also, a lot of industrial visits are involved. capstone projects are there, each and every module, 4 different modules we have. So very such a very unique program. It is designed and about to launch soon by the Factory Science. Apart from these kind of trainings, we also assist for jobs for the learners, like internship opportunities and also job opportunities with us and with all our industry partners and other ecosystem partners. We are assisting for the OT18 integration role and also Industry 4.0 developer role, project managers and business analyst roles. We are assisting jobs for them. And also we are conducting hackathon programs to promote or to encourage the innovations front. With the institutions already we are conducting the hackathon programs with various title like predictive maintenance and so many new title. So it will go for 3 months program, like 2 different cohorts. The first cohort, they will give the concepts, then we will shortlist the concepts and we will give the additional licenses or softwares or any hardwares they need to produce that. The shortlisted people will work on that and they will develop the proof of concept for that, and the winners will be awarded. So that is, you can see here. So and also we are conducting the startup accelerator programs. That is, we are doing jointly with the Cultivate in India. And this is to onboard the startups for the co-creation projects, and we support them to travel with with us to serve the innovation or bringing new product to the market. And we know that yesterday, the Maxbyte or the Factory Science, we launched the book, The Inspiration to Implementation of Digital Manufacturing. So this is the first book being launched under the Factory Science publications, and we are planning to launch many books to guide and support the manufacturing community globally. Apart from that, we have a platform where we are posting videos and shorts for the new technologies, new solutions very often for this community, and the people can join this forum so that all the people can communicate across, and they will share the experience. If they have questions, they can interact among them, and also they can get the clarity from the subject matter expert through this platform. And also we are conducting some free seminars, so that also will be informed. So the people can join in the free seminars whenever it is being conducted. And also all the TFS programs being in the calendar will be posted there. So you can subscribe and you will get the information wherever if you are in India, if you are in UAE, so you can join the particular program and you can be benefited. And also the survey we are doing, like HVAC industry, so every industry we are planning to do some survey, and we are giving some insights to the users in this forum. And many more community support also we are planning, and we will be doing that. Okay, so next to these kind of trainings and support, community support, we have some models for the Center of Excellence. So in these training programs, a couple of people from each and every company can come, and they will get awareness, they will get knowledge, they are getting certification, they are becoming champions, and they are going to drive the digitization of the industry. But to train all other colleagues, all other employees in the company, like 500,000 people. So we have some different models, and already we have established in many places like Center of Excellences. So in any company, in India already we have done in one company in Chennai. So all through the year, so for the convenience, we have different models. In the Center of Excellence, they can connect their existing machine with our Byte Factory applications. So throughout the year, they can experience it, they can learn it, and they can adopt it. So all the people, based on their availability, they can come to the particular COE location in the factory, they will experience it, they will learn it, and they can adopt it. So that way, we have different models. If they can able to invest more, we are suggesting the second one, like modular manufacturing system or any factory simulation kit. And there we can connect the Byte Factory, and they can able to see the digital manufacturing system, how it works, how it gives insights, how it increases the productivity. They can experience it, and they can adopt it. So likewise, the mini model is there. So you can see in our stall also, one desktop mill is there. If there's no machine, we will bring the, we will give the machine also, and the software, Byte Factory software also, and it is connected with our cloud, and they can able to experience all the, the smart manufacturing applications there, and also AR-based applications and VR-based applications and HoloLens-based application, how it really helps in the production side. We have various, readily available demonstrations available so that we can give in the mini model. And also, the last one is the premium model we have it. So there you can get 20 plus digital robotics and sustainable use cases. You can see the demonstration, you can see experience it. So there is a bigger model. So these kind of center of excellence can be launched at your premises for the continuous learning, and we will train the trainer, we give the user manual, we will give the demonstration videos. So all through the year, the training or the experience can happen, learning can happen in the industry. So our existing center of excellence in India is like, we have it in Coimbatore, the PhD technology, we have a center of excellence is there. And in Bangalore, for the Indian Manufacturing Tools, Indian Machine Tool Manufacturing Association, we have center of excellences. And we have a MOE with DOT in the government colleges. In 4 colleges, we have already established our center of excellences. And other couple of CO is also there in India. In UAE, we have it in Sharjah, SRTAPA, our mini center of excellence is there, and EN and Edge we have it. And USA, it is 1819 Innovation Hub in the University of Cincinnati, we have it, and BGSU, the Bowling Green State University, we have it, and Virginia also we have it. So these and some couple of COEs are under development, and maybe in the coming months or coming year, we will have more center of excellence around the globe. So for the upcoming center of excellence in Sharjah, SRTAPA, we have already got the space, and the initiation work has been started. So these are the picture, and the miniature model also you can see in the skilled factory stall. You can see the miniature model of this one. So we have initiated this one. Maybe in a couple of months this will be launched. So there you can see digital zone, robotics zone, sustainability zone, and different kind of the future factory use cases you can experience there. And this is the plan for our the next coming year from 24 to 25. With all these centers, we are planning to conduct the continuous foundation program, championship program, and certification program. So this is a plan, and we have a calendar for that. So for the next one, in the next 1 year, we have a plan to conduct about 160 plus programs in 3 regions, and also we have a plan to train 1,800 people plus people. That is a projection we have, and 280 people we want to assist for their jobs, and 50 plus startup companies we would like to onboard them, bring more innovation. And this is a calendar for the next couple of months in UAE programs. In the stall also you can have a QR code. You can get this calendar there, so that if it is possible, you can register yourself and you can join these programs in UAE also. Yeah, so this is the Sustainable Development Goals. Through this, the factor science programs, the quality education and gender inequality, and so all these goals we could able to fulfill for the SDG goals. That's all about the factor science, the program, and how we could able to build the future workforce through these kind of training programs and center of excellences, and the publications and community support. Thank you.